In this video, we'll discuss relays. Any relay is an electromechanical switch that uses an electromagnet to open or close electrical contacts, enabling a low-power control signal to operate a higher-power circuit safely and efficiently. When current flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field that moves the internal contacts, allowing the relay to either complete or interrupt another circuit. This makes it essential for controlling high loads such as motors, lights, and industrial devices using low-voltage control signals. The symbol of a relay consists of a coil and switching contacts, which may be normally open or normally closed, and in circuit diagrams, it is typically represented by K or RY, for example K1 or RY1. A relay has no specific unit. Instead, it is defined by its coil voltage, commonly 5 volts, 12 volts, or 24 volts, and contact ratings that indicate how much current and voltage it can handle. Relays are widely used for electrical isolation, switching high loads, and in automation, control, and protection systems across various fields such as industrial automation, automotive electronics, and home appliances. There are several types of relays, including the electromechanical relay, EMR, which uses a mechanical armature and contacts, the solid-state relay, SSR, which performs switching electronically with no moving parts, the reed relay, which offers fast and reliable magnetic operation in compact designs, the latching relay, which maintains its state even after power is removed, and the thermal relay, which operates based on heat to protect circuits from overloads. Overall, relays play a crucial role in providing safe electrical isolation, automated control, and reliable power switching, making them indispensable components in both analog and digital electronic systems where precision, safety, and performance are required. Subscribe this channel for more such videos.